Hi there. In this video, we are going to have a quick look at our Facebook e-commerce chatbot. Using this chatbot, your customers as well as your followers on your Facebook page can easily view your products, place orders, and even they can check the status of their orders around the clock. Quite interesting, right? Yeah. Let's get into this. Let's assume that I am one of the followers on your Facebook page. Now I'm going to chat with your Facebook page to order products. Now I'm sending a message to your Facebook page. Yeah, our chatbot from your Facebook page successfully responded to our chat. Now we have 5 choices. Order essentials to add products to your cart. If you already placed your order, you can check your order status by clicking on this option. If you already added products to your cart, you can ask the chatbot to show my cart as well as edit my cart, and finally you can place your order. Now I'm going to use order essential choice to add products to our cart. After the promotional question, our chatbot will ask you to enter your mobile number. If your customer is chatting with the chatbot for the first time, our chatbot will create an account and card which will be associated with this phone number. If your customer is already chatted with our chatbot, this will use the existing account and card. After entering the phone number, you will be asked to choose the delivery type. You can either choose the home delivery or pickup at store. If you choose home delivery, you will be asked to enter your home address. If you choose pickup at store, you will be asked to choose the branch. Now I go with the pickup at store delivery type. Now our chatbot will ask you to confirm your entries. You can either confirm and go ahead or delete entries and enter again. After confirming our entries, the chatbot will fetch product categories from the Google Sheet and ask the person to enter the serial number of the category. Now I'm going to choose milk products by entering the serial number 3. Now the chatbot will fetch all the milk products from the Google Sheet and its prices and ask the person to enter the serial number of the product. After entering the product serial number, the chatbot asks the person to enter the number of quantities. Now I need 5 pack of 1 liter curd. That's it. Now our chatbot will add 5 pack of 1 liter curd to my cart. From here, I can add another product to my cart, or I can ask the chatbot to show my cart and edit my cart. And finally, I can ask the chatbot to place my order. Now I'm going to place my order. Now our chatbot will ask you to confirm your details. After confirming your details, our chatbot will ask you to choose what can I do next. Just click on the place my order button. That's it. We have successfully placed our order. Now our chatbot will add all the details to the Google Sheet and provide order number to track the status of the order. Now let's check the status of the order. Now our chatbot will ask you to enter the order number. After entering the order number, our chatbot will fetch the status from the Google Sheet and provide you the order status. As soon as you placed your order, your cart will be emptied. Now let's check that one. I'm going to click on show my cart. This will ask our chatbot to fetch the status of the cart and the result will be displayed to you. Yeah, we got it. Our chatbot says your cart is empty. What can I do next? Now we can add products to our cart and place order again. or we can edit the card.